In this video, we will show you the recommended weekly cleaning routine for your PUQ press. The tools you need during the following instruction are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a brush, a dry and a damp cloth. Start with pressing the Set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Remove the top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Clean the tamper base and thread with a dry brush or cloth. Clean the thread and cavity of the upper clamp with a brush or cloth. Fasten the tamper base by hand, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Click on the top cover. Press the Set button once. The tamper base goes back up. Wipe down the sensor, the lower clamp and the ground basket. Clean the housing of the PUQ press with a damp cloth.